In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop candles in H&M online. To get started, open your web browser and head to the official H&M website. You can type the address directly into the bar or search for H&M and select the official result. Once you're on the home page, give the page a second to load so everything displays correctly. Now look toward the top right corner of the site. You'll see a small magnifying glass icon. That's the search tool. Click or tap that icon to open the search field so you can quickly find what you want without browsing through menus. In the search box, type the word candles, then press enter on your keyboard. If you're on a phone or tablet, tap the go or search key. This will take you straight to a results page showing candle options available online. On the results page, you'll see a selection of candles. Scroll to browse everything. If filters or sorting are available, they can help you narrow things down by price, color, or other details. Take a moment to read the brief descriptions and check pricing so you can compare at a glance. When you find a candle that catches your eye, click on it to open the full product page. Here you can view larger photos and details to make sure it's exactly what you want. On the product page, check the color options. Some candles come in different vessel colors or styles, and the pictures will update when you pick a different choice. Make sure the color you select matches what you want to receive. Next, confirm the quantity. Use the plus or minus buttons to set how many you'd like. If there's a limit or low stock, the site may let you know right there. Choose how you want to get your order. You can have it shipped to your address or choose free pickup at a nearby store if it's offered. Availability can vary by location, so you may need to confirm your area to see pickup options. Once you're happy with your selections, click Add to Bag. A confirmation or mini bag view will appear so you can double-check color and quantity. If everything looks correct, proceed by selecting Checkout. That's the core flow. Search, browse, open the item, verify color and quantity, choose Shipping or Pickup, add to bag, and move to checkout. A quick tip before you finalize your choices, glance at details like size or burn time so you know exactly what you're getting, and check for any promotions that might apply. And that's how to shop candles in H&M online. Thanks for watching and happy candle shopping.